Hey, this is Sasha B, and welcome to Traveling with Sasha B. Here in Scotland, I'm thinking about legacy. What we survive, what we learn, and what we pass on can become strength for somebody else. Scotland makes me think about the woman I had to become. Not the one who had it easy, but the one who knew how to stand with dignity, even after the hard places. Standing near this old castle, I'm reminded that some strength is built over time. What tried to wear me down became part of the wisdom I now carry. Scotland reminded me that I can stand with grace, even after the storms. This is Sasha B, traveling the world, gathering wisdom, and keeping it real as always.